Hi beauty, how are you guys doing? I believe you guys are really doing well. So in today's video there is an amazing trailer I want to share with you guys, and it's very important for you to know this. So in today's video, if you are new in this platform, you are warmly welcome. It's me, Rosa Kachi, in the building. So today's video I want to share with you guys how you can share your video within a community without you going to the video and sharing it. This one is your community. Think first, you go to your community. In this your community, there are some things here most of the people they don't know how to use this community visibility. So it's very important, like these days now, YouTube enroll out the benefit of you using community. Now you will see image. Image is that example you post on other social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, and Snapchat. So these are the, like, if you have any image that you want to post, YouTube is giving you a beautiful platform for you to be posting every day. So now is activity that you need to grow your page. And this is the way to grow your YouTube channel. So first thing first, every morning, at least you post one image. And then when you post one image, you click this place and then they will take you directly to, for you to be able to select the image that you want and then you post it. Number two, you create an image poll. Image poll is for you, also it's like Q&A. Example, you bring in your image number one, image number two, then you add the image here, add the option if you still have many options that you want your people to ask. Example, you said, what do you love in this page? Okay. Example, now you put number one, the image number one, you put the image number two, you put the image number three. So let's say image number one is you coming live stream every day. Image number two, you uploading video 3 times in a week. Image number three, you uploading video 7 times in a week. Now, when you create those images, you click this place and then you add the image, okay? When you add image, example, you add this image here and then you choose another image here. Let's just continue and then you choose the third image here. So example, this is just example I'm putting. So after I have already choose those image now, if people want me, example, 3 times in a week, okay, now 5 times in a week. So now another one is saying all days, okay, like from Monday till all full week that you will be creating a video. So this one will allow people to actually interact with you and they will choose, your audience will know what they need. If they want you to be uploading 3 times in a week, they will choose 3 times in a week. They will create that poll. Okay, let me just create the example. Now, after I have already created this poll, it will enable your viewers for them to choose which one do they want. If they want this one, they will just click if they want, and see how many people are winning on this kind of poll. In this way, you will decide how to go about your YouTube channel. It will grow your YouTube channel. All right. Let's go. Next is text. Text is very good and you need to really create text. I say, hi guys. Okay, welcome. Or maybe you just type something you want. Do you love me to come live stream every day. Now you create this thing here. If they want you to come live stream every day, yes. And then the another one you said no. Yes and no. Now when you create this, it will allow your viewers for them to choose how many times they need to come or you need to come to live stream weekly. And then you will decide. If you create pool, now you create a pool. Now make your page active, and then that is what YouTube wants. People will choose. Let me choose example. This is the people who will choose, and then let me just open another YouTube account. Let me open another YouTube account, and then I will go to this page. An example, I will go to the community. Now in the community, you will see, all right? You will see here, I will click yes. Then it will show 100%. In that place, I will find a one vote that vote for one, that they want yes. Now I will vote. How many times in this place? I will just click this one. Now also I have a one vote. So that is the reason that you should create. So now if I come this place and fresh up the pool which I have created, you will see here that I have one person that said yes. Okay, and it will show you here 100%. And here I will also see how many people has voted for this particular thing. That is the reason you need to work with community. So what about this next? Art quiz. It's just about quiz in the community. Answer and whatever, the same thing. Now, the most important thing is take from existing YouTube video to post in your YouTube community. Click the video that you want to post on your YouTube community. Then I will click yes. It's only one video that you need to import. I will click this video and then I will click start. In this way, I have already posted on my YouTube community. Now, what do I see? Hey guys, new video is out. Check now. So now I have already done that. If I want to tag anyone, I will tag someone, okay? This is, I will tag someone if I want to. I will tag the person name and yes, and then I will create post. So in this way, you have learned how you can use your community effectively. In this way, your YouTube channel will be recommended, and most of the people, they find their YouTube, your YouTube will be found through the community tab. Yes. And YouTube now is rolling out this community tab. So please do not miss this opportunity. Use it so effectively and you will thank me later. Thank you so much everyone for watching. I really appreciate you guys all. If you never yet subscribed, please do us a favor by hitting the subscription button and then let us know where you're watching from. Let us know which kind of video do you love. And also answer those Q&A which I have already dropped. So it's your duty and get me a feedback. That's it for today. Thank you so much and God bless you. See you again in my next video and bye for now.